Oh boy, it's my favorite time of the year, guys. It's time for those soil test videos. Can we all just agree on one thing? I think we all can agree in this, lawn care community that we have, that we don't need a soil test video every year, guys. Just put a video together that you want them to buy the soil test kit because you want them to buy your fertilizer. That's all you gotta do. You don't gotta have the same fucking thing every fucking year. This is how you do a soil test. Cover your ears, Mr. Ferguson, but Jesus fucking Christ. Sorry to bring Jesus into this, but it's a fucking ridiculous. So just go back to other creators, just go back to their previous videos and go check out how to do a soil test, guys. And they'll show you how and what fertilizer to buy. It's particularly probably an affiliate, probably of theirs. Fuck it. Make the money while you can, Life's short. Get that money while you can. So I'm officially declaring March 1st as the Happy Soil Test Video Day, guys. And may you have a great soil test this year, guys.